case you don't know how to use DESMOS, that's pretty straightforward. I usually sign in with my Google account so I can save some files here. You can use your personal Google account, your school Google account, whatever platform you wish. So here's an example of how I can use this platform. Just chuck in an equation. Remember, equations are y equals mx plus c. That's the general structure of the equation, and your m is your gradient, c is your y-intercept, right? So I'm just going to change y to c, capital C, in a cost. Say if I hire a plumber who's probably charging, say, $30 for every 1 hour of work, and his call-out fee is $50. So what DESMOS will do now for me is graph that line. It kind of picks up some variables and goes with it. What I mean here is H, of course, is your hours. So hours is your x-axis. This is something we don't control, of course. So x-axis comes here, and your y-axis across. Now we can view the line. Don't worry, we can see the line really well. What I'm going to quickly show you is, you click on the spanner, the settings, you can change your viewing window, your graph view. So I'm going to choose my minimum value x to be 0, maximum value say to be 10. And the step is what number is the x number is going to progress in, ones and twos and threes. Sometimes it doesn't change. Don't get too fussed with it. Just have a play around with it. I'll label my x's outwards. That'll be $sign charges. Just chuck that in there. $0, I don't know. Let's just go to say $400. Step to 10. See how it doesn't change in tens? It's still in hundreds. I'll try 20s. Hey, that's a job in 20s, so I'll just leave it like that. So this line here is the graphical representation of that linear charge, the linear equation. Your number here on the y-axis is 50. So 50. Again, I'd like to change my step into 10. So also C. 50 is your y-intercept, your starting point, right? And 30 is equivalent to 30 over 1. So every 1 hour of charge, every 1 hour of work rather, the charge jumps up or rises by 30. Rise over run. So once again, every 1 hour of work, there's a rise of 30. Every 1 hour, rise of 30. Now, if you can see, the distance between 0 and 1 is looks pretty similar to the distance between 0 and 50. Don't get fooled by that, please. That doesn't matter. What matters is the units. You look at the numbers and leave the numbers. 0 to 1 is one number. 0 to 50 is 50 numbers, so that's larger. So that distance is larger than that distance. Be very careful about it. So quick and simple way to use DESMOS to draw lines, and you can always save your work, and once you save it, you can label it something, 3 work, 4 work, or whatever, and yeah, off you go. So I hope that was helpful for you. And try DESMOS out. There's actually a pretty good platform for drawing all the graphs.